how to create a community on WhatsApp. So if you want to create a community on your WhatsApp, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Once you're on your WhatsApp, you need to just go with communities. And as you can see, that here you will have start a community or get started option on the bottom. So you need to just simply go with get started or start your community and then tap on get started, which is on the bottom. And you need to enter the community name. Like for example, I'll just simply go with park, and then you need to go with the arrow, and it says that you need to check your internet connection. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and after having an internet connection you need to go with the arrow which is on the bottom right, and then you can also add a photo if you want to. And after adding your photo, you need to just go with the arrow, and once you go with the arrow, your community will be created and you'll be able to add some groups or some persons on your community. In this way, you'll be able to create a community on your WhatsApp, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.